Okay, I've got 2 cans of cherry pie filling in the bottom of a 13x9 casserole dish. We're just gonna spread this around. This can be the best Valentine's Day dessert for your sweetie this year. It's so easy to make, and I guarantee you it's gonna be so good. I've got these small 10-count biscuits, not the grand, not the jumbo ones. Woo! Being excitable today. But we're gonna go ahead and take these out and put them on a board like so. Lay these out. So easy to make. Once we have these out, I'm gonna go ahead and take a heart-shaped cookie cutter. We're just gonna go ahead and cut heart-shaped biscuits. Let's go ahead and take the excess off. These are gonna be so cute. Do the rest. Last one, just like that. Then we're gonna take these heart-shaped biscuits and we're just gonna lay these right on top. That cherry pie filling is gonna be so good. Right in there. To that, we're gonna be adding a can of, this is raspberry pie filling. Put that whole thing in there, just kind of dollop that everywhere, all over the top of those biscuits. And we're gonna do the same with the strawberry pie filling. It has bits of strawberries all over it. Just spread this around on top of all of those biscuits. We're getting the red berries, we've got the cherries, the raspberries, and the strawberries in this, like all of the red fruit, perfect for Valentine's Day. Make sure that there's a little bit of strawberry all over. Make sure all the biscuits are covered as well. And we're gonna top everything with this wild berry muffin mix. So good. It's got the little dried blueberries and strawberries in there. It's gonna make that cobbler underneath taste amazing. Just put this whole thing right on top, just like that. And then we're topping everything with, this is 2 sticks of melted butter. Just gonna go over all of that muffin mix on top of this Valentine's Day cobbler with these like little hidden heart biscuits. It's gonna be so good, guys. Once you have this completely covering that muffin mix, you're gonna put this in a 350-degree oven for about half an hour. Take a look at how it turned out. All that pie filling has gotten nice and jiggly. I've got some of these classic Valentine sprinkles that go on top of this. It's got little hearts and little red, white, and pink sprinkles. It'll be perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna come in and take this biscuit. Some of these biscuits have popped out from underneath that pie filling and that muffin mix. Look at how cute. I'm gonna get a little bit of that cake mix with the sprinkles, like that. I've got a can of extra creamy whipped cream. Doesn't that look so cute for Valentine's Day? I'm sure that your honey will love this dessert. The strawberries, raspberries, and cherries, perfect. You need to make a batch. I promise your sweetheart will love it.